In your career journey, there are two paths. 1. The path to acquire knowledge, and 2. The path to apply knowledge. However, wealth comes when you apply knowledge in the real world. University education helps you acquire knowledge, while the E2PE Accelerator program will help you apply your university knowledge plus AI and data skills to solve real-world problems. Why should you apply knowledge? Small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, are in high demand of AI and data growth consultants who can apply academic knowledge plus AI and data skills to solve real business or industry problems. Market competition is putting pressure on SMEs to innovate their business models and identify new growth engines. However, these SMEs don't have the budget to keep an in-house innovation team or hire the expertise of the big innovation consulting firms. This favors a model where SMEs want to hire growth consultants who can help solve critical business problems, thereby helping them continuously innovate and scale. To meet this demand, we created the Education to Professional Employment (E2PE) Accelerator program. This program is a collaborative initiative of top experienced AI and data professionals consulting for global companies all over the world. But here's the catch you've been looking for. The program is not for everyone. The Education to Professional Employment (E2PE) Accelerator program is exclusive to candidates who meet the following requirements. 1. Have gained industry knowledge either through your university training or professional experience. 2. Have a strong passion to apply AI and data in your industry to solve business problems. We're very keen on who we work with. If you think you qualify and you're ready to take your career to the next level, all you need to do is download the full program prospectus now and stand the chance of being selected for the true professional program you've been looking for. That's it from me. Look forward to talking to you soon.